Thank you. Thank you. Oops. Are you dropping crayons? Can you hand them to Mommy, please?
I do it.
Thank you. Oops. You want Mommy to help you get back up? Oh, thank you. What is that? Can you get on the chair yourself, or you need help? You got up all by yourself. What a big boy. Are you Mommy's big boy?
No.
You want to color some more? No. No. A brief interlude when Mommy has to pull the wax out of Lucas's mouth. Get. No, no.